In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts to HubSpot CRM from a spreadsheet. We'll start on your HubSpot home screen. From here, open the CRM area, then head into Contacts. On the Contacts page, click the Add Contacts button and choose Import. This takes you to HubSpot's Import Center. Select Import Data, and when the options appear, pick Quick Import for contacts only. This path is perfect when you have a straightforward list and just want those people added as contacts. Now it's time to bring in your file. You can upload a CSV, an Excel file in XLSX or XLS format, or even connect a Google Sheet. If you prefer, you can also paste rows directly from your spreadsheet. Drag and drop works great here, and CSVs saved in UTF-8 encoding help preserve special characters. Before you upload, a quick prep tip. Make sure the first row of your sheet contains clear column headers, like first name, last name, email, phone, and company. Keep one contact per row. Avoid merged cells and hidden columns, and remove extra blank rows at the bottom. If your phone numbers include leading zeros or international prefixes, store them as plain text so they don't get reformatted by your spreadsheet tool. The email column is especially important because HubSpot uses it to identify unique records and to help prevent duplicates. After you add the file, HubSpot will scan your headers and automatically match them to contact properties. Take a moment to review those mappings on the screen. If something doesn't line up, choose the correct HubSpot property so data lands in the right place. For checkbox or multi-select style data, keep values separated consistently, for example with semicolons, so they map cleanly. If you see columns you don't need, you can ignore them during mapping to keep your database tidy. Consistent header names across future files will help this mapping work instantly next time. When everything looks good, proceed to start the import. Depending on the size of your list, this can take a moment. You'll get a confirmation once the process begins, and shortly after, your contacts will appear in the contacts view. If HubSpot flags any issues, such as missing emails or improperly formatted values, adjust your spreadsheet and run a fresh import with the corrected rows. If you're unsure about your setup, try a small test file first to validate your mappings. A couple of final tips. Use standard date formats like YYYYMMDD. Avoid formulas by pasting values only, and only import data you plan to use in your CRM. And remember to import only contacts you have permission to store and contact.